in a Dodge. Check this out.
Larry Gallimore, Ochelade, Oklahoma. 1981 Dodge D150. 4BT Cummings. Got a 93 grill on the front. Restored about 4 years ago.
How long have you owned the truck altogether?
See, I bought it when my stepdaughter was about 12. Bought it for her, and so she's 20 now. So yeah, 8 years.
8 years,
Yeah.
and then you restored it about 4 years ago?
Yeah, about 4 or 5 years ago. Been working on it the whole time, but it was about 4 or 5 years ago we actually got it done and drivable.
Nice. Okay. So what about the suspension? What's the suspension on it?
It's stock Dodge suspension. The hardware, pretty much all the metal is the same as come out with Dodge, but all the wiring's been replaced. Ron Francis wiring.
Nice.
So it's not a firebomb anymore.
Yeah. Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
Yeah, the pump on the Cummins has turned up about 15%. It'll go down the road.
Yeah. And you were saying what kind of fuel mileage you're getting out of this thing?
28.4. The highest I ever got was 31. If I get it intercooled, it should get 30 on a regular basis.
Yeah.
And some more tuning on it.
Awesome.
I think I've got it about. I hate to mess with it because, like I said, it's doing really good right now. It makes pretty good power. So
yeah.
Afraid I'll tinker with it and it'll go the other direction.
Okay. And what about the transmission? What do you have transmission?
ZF5 Ford 5-speed in it.
Okay.
And 307 rear gear. So
all right.
Comes out about right.
Okay. And I noticed the paint looks like it's probably not a color from that time. What kind of paint you got? What
Dodge
color?
Destroyer gray.
Okay.
I gave my daughter's a palette, what to look at, and she picked all the colors for it. So
nice.
The orange for the motor. She's an OSU fan, so.
Oh, okay.
I told her I wouldn't paint the truck orange, but I would paint the motor orange.
Cool. Awesome. What's this thing sound like?
Oh, well, let's crank it up. Also, it has digital dash.
Nice.
A little loud.
Yeah, let me get a little bit of motor. Man, that's so awesome. Well, it's a pretty cool truck, man. When I passed by it, I thought, man, I gotta catch back up with him because it's so different than the usual.
Yeah, it's usually a one-off at the car shows.
Yeah.
Not any others like it.
Yeah. So. Well, it's awesome. Man, I sure appreciate it.
Cherokee County.
What the heck is this rig right here? Hey, how much horsepower is in this thing?
I don't know.
That much?
Slow.
Slow? Come on, I bet it ain't slow.
Yeah, it is.
All right, we'll see. Don't do any burnouts though.